Hello. So this is the data set for COVID-19, which is for India region, and here I am analyzing the data according to date, time, region, and the gender wise, and as well as for cure, death, and confirmed. So here, whether you can see the number of test cases, the number of data set, rows and the records are 1318. So with the constant data that I am using in this data only I will analyze. So first, the whatever data we will get, which is the raw data. So in this we have to first clean the data, and according to the requirement or problem statement, we have to first analyze and segregate the data. So I have segregated according to the first. I have chosen the state and the number of count which was occurred in the in that records, and another I have chosen for the confirmed one, which was internal and foreign region, and another I have chosen the state with the cured people, and the other for the state and the death people, and the similar for state having the male and female which was affected. And one I have used this whole table to make a pivot chart, and to analyze in a more clear way. So here I have created the data, and here I have made the pivot chart, pivot table. Now according to this I will make a pivot chart. So this is the calculation data sheet, and this is the raw sheet, and this will be the dashboard. So here is the dashboard, COVID-19 India dashboard, which was I named. So here, as you can see, the total number of cases found are 1318, and here this chart, the pie chart, will explain about the confirmed one. So as you can see, the Maharashtra has a more number of confirmed one, and as you can see in our India, the number of person affected more found in Maharashtra, and mainly in Mumbai region. Now the count, as you can see, the count is initially was the high, then suddenly with the time goes, so it was decreasing, but nowadays it will increase more as per the analyzing the data. And here are the pivot chart, which is help to analyze this as per the state wise. So here I will choose a state, as I have chosen the Maharashtra. So it is describing about the Maharashtra. Here we can filter with the date format, and here as you can see, from 5 to 6 p.m. the more number of people are affected, and or you can see the confirmed people were found, because I have chosen for the confirmed one, and we can also sort according to the time one. Now here is the chart explaining the cured people. So in the Maharashtra only the more number of cured people have been found, have been done. And about the death one, the number of death are more in the Meghalaya region, and the moderate amount of death are found in the Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Delhi, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh, as you can see in the chart. And here one chart explaining about the gender ratio, about the male and female, how many people will die, and here as per the chart it says that more number of male were die due to the symptom found and affected one, less number of female were found affected. So this is the dashboard explaining the corona symptoms, and this is the COVID's data set which was I used to analyze one. Thank you.